Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you looking for a way to change hero in Doomsday Last Survivors? Then you are in the right place. First of all, open the Doomsday Last Survivors game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the main screen, go ahead and locate your hero's icon at the top left corner. Now from the menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on the little arrow button, two overlapping arrows on the left corner, and you will see the hero's options. Select a different hero you'd like to change to and click confirm. Some of the heroes will need unlocking, so make sure you progress throughout the game so that you can unlock other heroes on the list. For now, you can go ahead and select any hero from available list and click confirm. And that's how you change your hero in Doomsday Last Survivors. And that's it. You've successfully changed your hero in Doomsday Last Survivors. Now you can dominate the battlefield with the character's unique powers. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.